Spiritual, but not religious. Is that even possible? Despite being counterintuitive, there are people who propose the notion of being spiritual while denying any association with a religion. Let us explore this notion. It is well known that spiritual beliefs and feelings are an inherent part of the human experience and subsequently also linked to human well-being. However, a new gaining movement, which is becoming quite popular among the masses, suggests that adopting a spirituality-alone lifestyle as a separate entity devoid of religion is sufficient for a wholesome life experience and well-being. They claim that organized religion or religion in any capacity is not a necessary requirement to have a connection with God, spiritual belief, or subsequently with well-being and happiness. Surprisingly, even popular New Age atheists such as Sam Harris also propagate adopting such models.
It's misleading. It subtly gives the message that in order to have rich, meaningful, important spiritual lives, we must somehow continue to endorse religious sectarianism.
However, contrary to their claim, religion too, alongside spirituality, is an inherent and inseparable part of the human spiritual experience, which helps to connect properly to the well-being of humans and helps them against depression and other mental health problems. Consequently, avoiding religion is therefore more harmful than to just adopt spirituality alone. To further substantiate this phenomenon, a psychological study was conducted by British Journal of Psychiatry on over 7,400 individuals, examining their spiritual and religious associations with their psychiatric symptoms and diagnosis. The study concluded that people with spiritual understanding of life is absence of a religious framework are highly vulnerable to mental disorders. Disorders and symptoms such as drug dependency, hazardous drinking, abnormal eating, anxiety disorders, phobia, neurotic disorders, and under psychiatric medication. Even more so than those who held no spiritual or religious affiliation at all. Instead, this begs the conclusion that in order to truly have a rich, meaningful, and healthy life, we must embrace a religious framework.